Hello, second graders. As you can see, I wore my hat a little different today. A little goofy. Boy. oh, oh. I don't know what's going on with my voice today. But I did wear my hat a little goofy for you. All right, so time for math. For math, we have 6 problems today. 6 problems. And we've seen this stuff before. We're on the 612 homework page. And I want to demonstrate on the board over here because some of us still struggle a little bit with it. So that's why we're here. That's why we have to go to school. Okay, so we get the concept of borrowing, right? All of us have got the fact that if I have 2 apples, I can't take 6 away, right? Can't do it. Can't do it. So we have to borrow. So the 2 turns into 12. And where does that 12 come from? It comes from the tens place over here, the next place. And the 8 turns into 7. Okay? Pay attention here for a minute because some of you make a mistake right after this. So I'm going to go 12 minus 6. Hopefully, you might have to count for that one, but hopefully we're not having to count every single time. 7 minus 3 is 4. Do I change this to a 6? Does the 7 turn into a 6? Do I cross it off and put a 6? Some of you, when I got worksheets back, were doing that, like every time. Do you understand why we don't have to in this case? Because 7 was bigger than 3, so I could do 7 minus 3. I didn't have to do any ungrouping or regrouping, borrowing. I didn't have to borrow. I didn't have to right here. 7 minus 3 is 4. If this was a 9, then I would have, because 9 is bigger than 7, then I would have had to turn that to 17 and cross that off. But I don't have to in this case. 7 minus 3 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Done. So I think the biggest thing to take from all of this subtraction that we've been doing is knowing when we need to do that. If this number up here is bigger than the one here, you do not have to borrow from next door. You don't have to do it. If this number is bigger than this number, right? Does that make sense? If I have 7 apples, you can take 3 away. I don't have to do this. Right? No, you don't have to do that. You only have to do it when you need to borrow or ungroup. And that's why this says decide if you need to ungroup. That's why we're doing so much of this subtraction, is because for second grade, it can be a challenging concept. We're towards the end of the year and we're learning some of those concepts because we're going to have to carry those on next year to 3rd grade. So moving on, we have 6 problems. The bottom 2 are word problems. I know you all love word problems, but I'm going to help you out. I will read these 2 word problems to you. So if you've already started, you might even wait and listen to me read them, because some of you do like to have it read to you, and that's fantastic. If I can help, I just want you to understand whether or not you need to know to add or subtract, and then which numbers to use. Okay? We're working on our reading all the time. So let me read the number 5 to you. Jamal has 590 craft sticks. He uses 413 craft sticks to make a building. Building. How many does he have left? Okay, that's number 5. Number 6 says, on Saturday, 290 people go to the roller skating rink. 184 of them are adults. How many are children? So 290 go to the rink, 184 are adults. How many are children? Those are those 2 word problems. So that's it for math. Get these 6 problems done, and you will be good to go. And after this, we'll do a read aloud. Hope you're getting outside. Hopefully it's not raining. Anyway, Talk to you soon.